Leprosy patients, for example, see they are invalid. I wanted to tell you a few points. They are totally invalid, unable to beg, and they are deprived of their all BPL cards or just all those programs what they are supposed, Jojana, all the Annodaya Jojana, but they are all deprived. Neither they have got voting rights, nor they have got BPL cards, nor electricity. All that over the last 10 years was all because of my individual efforts and some donors. And in spite of giving 20 acres of land, now they wanted to snatch back that land. 8 acres of land, one sub-collector suddenly came in and was requesting back 8 acres of land. Finally we refused, made some noise and disturbed the government, collector and all that, and now they want to take 1.72 acres of land in a corner. All the land which was arid wasteland, we are developed into cultivable fields for their self-reliance, because they are not getting any assistance from the government. Government should give all their rights, all their privileges, all their benefits, especially the lepers. When they come, they dodge, telling them they should bring that card, this identity, that identity, and neither they are accepted by the government nor accepted by the villages. So where would they go? So the government should give a priority, and for the leprosy patients, all the benefits should be considered immediately.
Father, how many leprosy families are under your care?
In my place there are about 40 people in together, inclusive of all children. But in our Sambalpur, under our diocese, we are taking care of 1700 patients. Diocese of Sambalpur is taking care of 1700 patients.
Any idea or thought why something like this is happening for the last almost more than a decade now in Kandhamal district? What do you assess?
This is I am seeing over last 25 years, this is not only today or Kandhamal or yesterday. This is a pre-election scenario. Every election, before the election this happens. I have seen this over last 25 years. They want to make some local murdas and local issues.
Any suggestions how we can resolve this, so that once and for all we have some sort of a long-term solution to this problem?
Disassociation with the criminologists first, a clear-cut political will, a clear-cut goodwill to build up the people, and not that to get gaddi, political seat, that one should strive. Rather they should strive for the growth of the country with a common consensus and a common will. A political will is very much needed here.
Do you think, Father, if there was a secular government, things would have been better or different from your assessment?
Definitely. There was no secular government this time, and this is state-sponsored criminal activity. There were police. There were about 30 CRP police I heard in Madhupur, and in front of them they have brought down everything into ashes. In front of the police, this Father Challanas almost made naked and march past. And there were police in front of my house. What they could do with the two lathis in their hand. And in Madhupur especially, they were having all the pistols and everything, but no order to shoot.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much for sharing with us what you've gone through.
Welcome.
Maybe your message could be spread around to people to take a stand on what's happening, to see whether we can find a long-term solution to this problem.
Thank you.
Kitty.